Hello everyone, my name is Sneha Singh and I am from group 7-1. My roll number is 28 and my topic is lipids. So let's talk about lipids. So the lipids are a heterogeneous group of compounds including fats, oils, steroids, waxes and related compounds that are related more by their physical than by their chemical properties. They have the common property of being relatively insoluble in water and soluble in non-polar solvents such as ether and chloroform. The functions of lipids: storage form of energy, important dietary components because of their high energy value and also because of the fat soluble vitamins and the essential fatty acids contained in the fat of natural foods. Structural components of biomembranes serve as thermal insulators in the subcutaneous tissues and around certain organs. Non-polar lipids act as electrical insulators, allowing a rapid propagation of depolarization waves along myelinated nerves, and provide shape and contour to the body, act as metabolic regulators. Combination of lipid and protein are important cellular constituents occurring both in the cell membrane and in the mitochondria, and serving also as the means of transporting lipids in the blood. So, clinical significance of lipids. Following diseases are associated with abnormal chemistry or metabolic of lipids. So, obesity, atherosclerosis, diabetic mellitus, hyperlipidemia, fatty liver, lipid storage disease. And classification of lipids. The first one is simple lipids. So, esters of fatty acids with various alcohols like fats. Esters of fatty acids with glycerol. Oils are fats in the liquid state. So, and waxes. Ester of fatty acids with higher molecular weight monohydrate alcohols. The second one is complex lipids. So, esters of fatty acids containing groups in addition to an alcohol and a fatty acid, in which phospholipids. So, lipids containing in addition to fatty acids and an alcohol a phosphoric acid residue. So they frequently have nitrogen containing bases and other substitutions in phospholipids, and the alcohol is glycerol, and in sphingospholipids the alcohol is sphingosine. So glycolipids, lipids containing a fatty acid is sphingosine and carbohydrate, and other complex lipids such as sulfolipids and aminolipids, lipoproteins may also be placed in the category. The third one is precursor and derived lipids. These includes fatty acids, glycerol, steroids, other alcohols, fatty aldehyde, ketone bodies, hydrocarbons, lipid soluble vitamins and hormones. Fatty acids are aliphatic carbohydrate acids, have the general formula RCH2 and COOH. They occur mainly as esters in natural fats and oils, but do occur in the unesterified form as free fatty acids, a transport form found in the plasma. Fatty acids that occur in natural fats are usually straight chain derivatives containing an even number of carbon atoms. The chain may be saturated, containing no bloods, and unsaturated, containing one or more double bonds. So, classification of fatty acids. Fatty acids can be classified in many ways according to nature of the hyperbolic chain. First one is unsaturated, first one is saturated, second one is unsaturated, third branched chain fatty acid, and fourth is substituted fatty acids. Saturated fatty acids do not contain double bonds, while unsaturated fatty acids contain double bonds. So let's talk about saturated fatty acids. So saturated fatty acids may be envisaged as based on acetic acid as the first member of the series, in which CH2 is progressively added between the terminal CH3 and COOH groups. So the hydrocarbon chain is almost invariably unbranched in animal fatty acids. A few branched chain fatty acids have also been isolated from both plant and animal sources. So these are some saturated fatty acids, like for example acetic acid. So a systemic name of this is ethanoic acid and the formula CSTCOOH. So these are some saturated fatty acids. Next is unsaturated fatty acids. So unsaturated fatty acids may further be divided in two in two terms, like monounsaturated and polyunsaturated. So monounsaturated containing one double bond and polyunsaturated containing two or more double bonds. The configuration of the double bonds in most unsaturated fatty acid is CAIS. The double bonds in polyunsaturated fatty acids are separated by at least one methylene group. So that's it. Thank you.